Monsoon and fried food are deeply correlated. The minute there is a downpour, our mind wanders off to that familiar aroma of tele bhaja. This video takes us back to the no Swiggy, no Zomato days. Heavy rainfall meant waterlogging and that rare office bunking. The only snack that we could quickly make at home is Peyaji. Chopped cutlet is always there, but Peyaji is something else altogether, isn't it? The pitter-patter of rain, cutting char and freshly made Peyaji. Time stands still and Adda begins. My goodness, this is too...